Hello, in front of me I've got ONEPLUS 10T. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet. Now select Add to Wallet. As you can see, we can add Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's enter Transit Pass and select Transit Pass you would like to add to your Google Wallet account. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Now enter Loyalty and select Loyalty card you would like to add. You can scan your card or enter details manually like member ID. Then simply select Add to Wallet. In the end, you can add a gift card, which is pretty similar to Loyalty card because you have to select the shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear right here on the homepage of Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.